Go on.
Hi guys, today it's Wednesday and that only means one thing. Amelia Makes and Bakes.
Video. You missed it again.
Today it's Wednesday and that only means one thing. Amelia's Makes and Bakes video. Today we're going to be making some slime. So first, your hair needs to be back and you need some gloves, some Elmer's glue, it's just a spoon, or a spoon, some borax and whatever this is, Clifton roll, some weird reason, and a mixing bowl. And if you want to decorate it, use sparkles. Ding! Fast, it's a good idea to light your hair. Ding! So first, ask an adult to mix 1 tablespoon of borax and 237 ml of water until it dissolves. So the first step is to add some white or clear glue. We're going to use clear glue and add as much as you like into a bowl. This is so cool. We're going to use all of it. Next, add the same amount of water you used of the glue. It's easy to fill up this same container of water so you know you have the same amount. Now it's time to get messy. If you want colour slime now, it's time to add some food colouring in, but I'm going to keep mine clear. Now it's time to add a little bit of borax in it and ask an adult to help. It was really weird. My hands are free. Freedom at last. I think I'm going to add some of these in and some of these in. I'm going to add both of them in iron. This one is called Queen of Hearts and this one is called Disney Magic. They're both by Lady T Glitters. These are nail art glitters from eBay.
Too much.
I think that borax is...
Keep kneading it. Don't put any more borax in.
This is not slime at all, is it? It's never failed. I think we've done it completely wrong, haven't we?
It's that slimy.
Can we do it again? Fast attempt for slime fail. Just breaks apart. Let's try again. This time we're going to use the Crazy Slime Creations kit with our own borax. Next, add the same amount of water.
Oh, it's a bit sparkly.
This is actually quite bouncy. Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Looks alright actually.
Okay, so the contents against this one, against this one,
Which is the winner?
this
I
one.
think we've got a clear winner there, haven't we?
Yeah.
I think we've just added a tiny bit too much borax to that other one, the first one.
Yeah, because look what it does.
It's a shame because we wasted a whole thing of glue, didn't we?
And if you don't add that much borax,
Wow, stretchy.
if you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up, comment down below what craft you'd like me to do next Wednesday, and subscribe. And then after you did that, press the notification bell, ding, so you don't miss any of our future videos. Bye!